Hi, I'm Heidi with Rhodes, and I'm going to show you one of my very favorite shaped rolls that you can use for your basket, and it is going to be great. We're going to spray our muffin tin, and the one that we're going to do is the Butterflake. So we're going to use the Texas roll, and what I'm going to do is I've sprayed my muffin tin. I'm going to just take my scissors, I'm going to cut it 3/4 of the way down, not all the way through, and that is how you're going to get your flakes. And then, if your dough is cold enough, because we've thawed this just enough that it's cold and ready to work with, those flakes will stand up really nicely. And then you can take your melted butter and you can put this in your muffin tin and just keep filling and making a whole muffin tin full of these beautiful butter flakes, and cover that with plastic wrap that's been sprayed. Let it rise till it's double in size. Bake it at 350, and it's going to take about 14 to 15 minutes. And then you get those out of the oven, and you're going to have a beautiful butter flake that you can just pull those flakes away, and they're going to be so good to eat. So thanks for baking with Rhodes.